Welcome you all for Speed Maths based on Vedic Sutras. Today we look into Nikilam Sutra. In case of multiplications, when the multiplier and the multiplicand nearer to the base, either 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on, so we can use this Nikilam to perform the multiplications. We'll see when the situation here is when the multiplier or you can say and multiplicand are nearer to their base. Here you can say the base as, so 10 everybody knows the multiplication, but here the base we can start from, the base is 100, the base is 1000, the base is 10,000 and so on. Okay. In this case we can make use of Nikilam to perform the multiplications. So here there are the situation, we see the situation number 1. Situation number 1. In this situation, both I can say M and M, that is multiplier and multiplicand, should be lesser than their nearest base. Okay, this is first situation. And situation number 2. Okay, both M and M should be more than their nearest base. This is second situation. And situation number 3, the situation number 3, so one multiplier is more than the base and one multiplicand is less than the base. So one is more and one is less than the base. In these three situations only we can make use of the Nikilam for performing the multiplications. Okay. Now we'll see a few examples. So example number 1. I can take up 98 multiplied by 96. In this case, both multiplier and multiplicand are nearer to the base, 100. Here we have to consider 100 as a base. If the base is 100, we should have 2 digits in RHS side. Okay. So what I have to do is, I have to subtract 98 from 100. What I have to do is, 98 minus 100 is, the step 98 minus 100 is minus 2. I should write this minus 2 on top of 98. Okay. Next step is 96. 96 minus 100. Here it is minus 4. This minus 4 I should write it on top of 96. Minus 4. The next step is I should multiply the negative sign of 2 into minus 4 is, so you take this minus 2 into minus 4 is, which equals to 8. So forming RHS side. But here the situation here is the nearest base is 100, we should have 2 digits in case of RHS. So I have only 1 is, so I should have 0 here to make 2 digits. Next is, the next step here is, so Crosswise, you have to subtract the number. 98 minus 4 is 94, forming LHS. In both the case, 94 only will come. Here you just see this. 98 minus 4 is 94. 96 minus 2 is again 94. So we should join RHS and LHS, forming the answer is, my answer is 98. Sorry, my answer is 9408. Okay. We'll see next sum. Example number 2. 103 into 106. 103 into 106. Okay. Here the base is 100. But you can just look into this. The multiplier or a multiplicand, both are in this case more than the base. Okay. So we have to mention this here is, the step here is 103. How much is more than 100 is? So here it is plus 3. It is 103 is 3 more than the 100. So in this case 106, it is more than 6 from the base. So in this case what I have to do is, I have to write 3 plus 3 on top of 103 and plus 6 on top of 106. Now the next step is, we have to multiply the plus 3 into plus 6. 3 into 6 is 18. Okay. So 18 forming, so it should form RHS. So anyhow the base is 100. We already got it, 118, that is a 2-digit number. So next we have to find the LHS here. So 103, anyhow the opposite sign is plus 6. So we have to add here is, crosswise we have to add and keep LHS here. 106 plus 3 is 109. Okay, 103 plus 6 is 109. In both the cases it comes 109. So forming LHS. Now the next step is, we have to join LHS and RHS, forming the answer. My answer here is 10918 is the answer. Okay. Let us look into the next sum. Example number 3. 97 multiplied by 101. Here 97 multiplied by 101, which is nearer, the nearer base is, the base here is 100. Okay. Then how much it is short of 97? How much it is short? See, 100 and 100 minus 97 minus 100 is, so this is, it gives minus 3. It is short of minus 3. That is, to the nearest base, 97 is short of 3. But in case of 101, it is plus 1. We write minus 3 and plus 1 on top of the each number. Okay. Let us multiply the nearest, shortest and the higher number. That is 3, minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3, forming RHS. Okay. Next, 97 plus 1 is 98. 101 minus 3. So crosswise we have to subtract or add the number depending on the sign. So here is 101 minus 3 is 98. So 97 plus 1 is 98, forming the LHS. Here we should have 3 digit here actually. So because the base is 100, in RHS we should contain 3 digit, but it has got negative symbol. For that negative symbol, there is one more step to be performed. What is the step here is? So we will take here is, considering that the answer is 9800, but since the last 2 digit has negative sign, we have to subtract. subtract minus 3. The answer here is 97 into 101. My answer is 9797. Okay. Now we'll look into the next sum, that is example number 4. Okay. We'll see now 4-digit multiplication, which is nearest base is 1000. So I'll take 1008 multiplied by 1006. The base here is 1000. 1008 is in excess of 1000, that is plus 8. 1006, it is in excess of plus 6. So we will multiply and form the RHS. 8 4s are 8 6s are 48, forming the RHS. But in this case, since the base is 1000, there are 3 digit 1 2 3 3 zeros. I should have 3 digits in RHS. The condition here is 3 digits should be there in RHS. 8 6 are 48, but I should have 3 digits, so that I have taken 0 in between. So next one is, so 108 crosswise I should perform the task based on the symbol, that is 1006 plus 8, 1014. 1008 plus 6 is 1014, forming LHS. Now I should join. The answer here is 1014048. My answer for 1008 multiplied by 1006 is 1014048. Okay. Now we'll see the next sum, that is example number 5. So 1010 multiplied by 990. Here what I have taken is, one is 4 digit and one more is 3 digit. So but the base, the nearest base is 1000 only. The base here is 1000. So 1010, it is in excess of 1000, that is 10 it is in excess, that is we will write it plus 10. But 998 is too short of 1000, that is we will take it minus 2. And we will intermultiply the, so bigger one and the lesser one we will multiply, forming the RHS. So 10 2s are 20. But when the base is, nearest base is 1000, I should have 3 digit in RHS. So I will take 0 in between. So but plus 10 minus 2 is minus 20. So this forms RHS. And for LHS, I have to perform crosswise and write the LHS. 998 plus 10 is 1008. 1008, 10 minus 2 is 1008. So here the next step is, since my RHS has come negative sign, what I have to do is, so I will take a 1008. So this is 000. We will make this as 000, and I should subtract minus 20. So that my answer here is 001. Multiplied by 998, the answer is 1007980. Okay.